From ideation to fabrication, E2IP Technologies is a leader in human-machine interface and smart surface technologies. Our Crystal Cabin award-winning concept is titled In-Mold Electronics, a paradigm shift in manufacturing and design. E2IP Smart Molded Parts represent a breakthrough in how electronic devices are designed and produced. On its own, IME represents an important innovation. However, E2IP is taking IME to a new level. We have expanded the concept by incorporating new process innovations and other strategic E2IP technologies, including advanced lighting, switch, and material technologies to what we're defining as smart molded parts. In its simplest form, a finished E2IP Smart Molded Part consists of 3 layers: the graphic overlay, the molded support, and the printed circuit. This enables the design freedom to create an innovative user interface with smooth curved surfaces in a form factor that is lightweight, cost-efficient, and highly reliable. Elegance, style, and seamless performance. This is the future of the passenger experience. E2IP is working with global market leaders in the aerospace sector who recognize the endless opportunities to advance the passenger experience through the design freedom made possible by E2IP's Smart Molded Parts.